Hello, smart investor. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching from. I'm right in Treasure Hilltop Estate in Command Alagbado. This estate is located in the heart of Command Alagbado area of Lagos. And what do we have in this estate? We have 3-bedroom, pre-finished, selling for 25 million. We also have 2-bedroom, pre-finished, selling for 20 million naira. We also have 3-bedroom duplex selling for 45 million naira. You can see the beauty of this estate. You can see how beautiful the house is. It's Gerard roofing. You will be the one that will finish it to your taste. Like this one I'm standing in front of is owned by a client, happy client, that finish it to this taste. Why don't you call me on my number showing on the screen, 00600 87341. Once again, 070 800 75864. Also, the good thing about this estate is that this estate has a good title. The title on this estate is Certificate of Occupancy, Global C of O. We also have a payment plan for it with initial deposit of 2.5 million, then spread the balance for 1 year interest free. For those of you that wants to buy land, we also have land here. 600 square meter full plot sells for 15 million, while half plot sells for 8 million naira. You can also spread that payment plan for 6 months for the land, while for the house for 12 months. So come in with me, let me show you the interior. So let me take you in. This is it. This is the interior. You can see POP finished. Then the glass, the window will be fixed. But what are those things you are going to fix? The doors, and then you are going to fix the WCs, and also the tiles. While we've done the conduit, you can see you just run the wire in